Kihe Jong All India Congress Committee Aicc haga khalai tri ukulalangkot kilawan Hiar sa Shillong ban Shong Bishar Kyrteng Jong Kyrtong ki ban sapin bena haga thup Kyrteng ka baar ka baka seng kan sapin bena shen habakran hikila pathai khubor UMP ka Congress umukul wasnik ulaong baka Congress kalapen krep ha ban aireng ha ka election arzar arpulai ha ka badang shen ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC kaladab ban pin bena yaki Kyrtong jong ki sau pesan ngot ki Kyrtong bat ladab ru ban pha i Kyrteng ki badang sa ki baka seng kan sapin bena shen Uwasning ula kamru baki nong yalam na kiwe ki seng san perthai kinwan man penyeso syaka Congress bat ula ongru baka seng kan yale ban bu Kyrtong na baro anrup hau tali ki constituency.
In another few days, the dates for elections will be announced, and I'm very happy to mention here that we as a political party are in full preparedness to face these elections. Already the PCC has been able to identify candidates for about 45 constituencies. Rather, they have made recommendations to the Aicc. Remaining seats, shortly they will be finalizing their recommendations, and soon we will be announcing the candidates. In the next few days, it won't be surprising if certain important leaders will join the Congress party. Already discussions have taken place, and the manner in which preparations are being made, I am confident that we will be able to regain the confidence of the people. It is a fact that many of our colleagues who have held important positions have left the party in the recent past, but nonetheless, on the basis of our existing cadre, we are able to build the organization to face the elections effectively.